Beyond the early years, the shore continued to be an influence as I met my wife there and taught my two kids the joys of the ocean. Denise and I have enjoyed the quiet bird sounds of our garden and the crackle of big parties with friends at our home. And exploring the world has helped expand my tastes and tolerances. So now, as we find ourselves stopped in our random forward momentum, and the buzz of business and traffic has been silenced, we can now hear our voice clearer to help guide our steps forward with purpose and caring for those who walk with us.